Hello again, it's Noob, and this is a very standard looking rim cylinder, but it happens to be one made by Black & Decker, which is a part of the Quickset Corporation, although the lock is made in China. Apparently it's got a lifetime mechanical warranty, and yeah, I mean, all said and done though, it is basically just a rim cylinder, nothing too exciting, but it does have one thing going for it, which is this. A surprisingly odd bitting. Outside of some Asas and some Rucos, you've got a bitting here which it has an extremely low cut. I think this is a zero lift, same as pin 2, followed by maximum adjacent cut in pin position 4. And that is really deep, so we're going to need a very deep hook to get in there to pick pin 4 without actually overlifting pin 5 or 3 for that matter. And it works relatively smoothly. So yeah, let's get this Black & Decker safe lock in a vise and see how we get on. So here we are with this lock in the vise, a crazy key. Crazy because it's just like, God, that's really high cut here. This is probably maximum adjacent cut for this lock system. Super low, super high, and we need something like a lunatic to be able to get up in there and even pick that without accidentally overlifting pin 3. So let's see if we can do it. Put the pick in and feel 5 at the back. You can hear it clicking. 4's binding though. 2, 1. Good. Okay, let's go back to 1 just set, I think. Then so try and get onto 4. Oh, nice click. Can we get onto 5? And we're open. There we go. So that didn't take too long. Pin 1, pin 2 and 3 didn't need to be picked. They must be sort of zero lift. Yep. And then little click on 5, and setting pin 4 was really hard actually. Very deep, crazy actually. Like I said, one of the deepest I've seen outside of maybe Asa and some of the pre-Asa Ruco locks. Anyway, let's see if I can get in here very quickly and cut this. Let's turn that back to locked. Grab hold of this and pull. There we go. Don't want to overdo it, but now I've got that sort of off, I can probably get in there with some circlip tools and just gently pry it off a little bit further. There we go. Flip this round. I don't know what's going on in here. Is that a normal size core? Possibly. I'm gonna get a shim though, so I don't trust it. Got no idea what could be in here. And the shim goes in quite nicely. So we just need a follower. I'm going to assume it's a standard size, which it is. Push that out. Those are the 5 pins. Ah, so glad I used the shim, because this looks like positions. So you could do lost ball bearing construction keying in there. So standard, standard, and where's my pinning tweezers? That's standard 2. Might as well flip them the right way around. Standard. So all standard key pins. I'll be honest, I'm expecting all standard driver pins as well. They didn't feel particularly difficult. So standard in 1. I see there's some little brass pins. Standard in 2. Standard in 3. Yeah, getting the impression that this is only made mildly difficult by having that super high set. Pin 4. All the rest are just very much standard. That being said, with this bitting and these quite wide pins, this would be excellent for making a bit of a challenge lock from, I have to say. and there isn't anything remarkable in there. I think there might be some steel springs in a few positions. Oh no, they're all steel springs. I thought one of them was brass. It's just a slightly different colour, like that. These are the springs. Not that it makes a huge difference. It was quite gritty inside, but I can't see a reason why it was. Just seems kind of normal in there, like a cast zinc or something lock, I think. Other than that, that's pretty unremarkable. It has got a little cuts down the pins here. Maybe that's a bit of grittiness. Maybe there's a bit of swarf in there or something, but yeah, I don't know. Don't know why that is. And they are the pins. So there you go, a pretty unremarkable lock, but one with a surprisingly kind of surprising bitting, I'd say, for a little 5-pin lock. Very strange. So there you go. That is the the Black & Decker safe lock with its lifetime mechanical warranty. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, please leave a like. If you have a comment, leave one below. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing. And of course, I'll see you all next time.